this is Crypto CJ's Trade of the Day. Welcome aboard, and as you can see, I'm rocking my Bitcoin Mall background. It's got some pink in it, got a little pink in my shirt, so that's kind of fun. Anyway, the trade I want to talk about today combines three elements of strategies I've talked about in the past. We've got an altcoin alert, we've got an RSI alert, and we've got a ladder buying technique that all works out in the end. So let's go to my chart. Okay, so OGN is a coin I've traded many times in the past. I've had very good success with this coin. So I was glad to see it pop up on my Altcoin Alert top 10 list. So for that reason, I was checking it out. I'm on the 15-minute chart here, just so I can show you everything on one screen. I was on the 5-minute chart at the time. This was 2 days ago. Let's see, I'm recording this video on the 13th in the afternoon. So this is the morning of the 11th, around 9 o'clock. I see a nice uptick of candles here. And so I get in on OGN. I'm in at 2.7221 at 9:20 a.m. My AA score is 86.4. I'm feeling pretty good about this trade. Regarding an exit, I'm going back a couple days to the 9th to this group of candles here. This first group is around 2.96, and the second group here is over $3, 3.13. I go with the lower one, 2.96, so I set that as my sell order, and I'm off. But the coin doesn't cooperate. That happens from time to time. It does go up a little bit and then takes a pretty big drop, and then goes sideways, and then goes into this dip sequence here. So this is 3 in the morning of the 12th, yesterday, and I had set an alert, as is my usual practice, for about 10% drop. So my alert goes off at 2.40. In the 2 o'clock hour, a couple other alerts go off for some other coins. So I buy some of those, and I do my ladder buy here for OGN at 2.3693, 3:05 a.m. That's my first ladder buy. So I've got 2 positions in this coin. One at 2.72, another one at 2.36, and I'm not sure what's going to happen with this. My goal is for this coin to get up at or close to my original purchase price of the first position. So as you can see throughout the early morning, the coin goes sideways, trends up slightly later in the day, and then last night we catch this big spike up here. So I am out of OGN with 2 positions at 2.69 at 8:24 p.m. last night. I've got a 6.084% profit, but I have 2 positions, so that's double the money. This is a classic ladder buy situation. And again, I've combined the three of the strategies I like the most. The AA scores, which alerted me to the coin, though it didn't quite work out as we had hoped. Still had a nice result on it. And then my RSI and my 10% alerts. One of those woke me up, and I got a really nice ladder buy situation. And then when the coin exited, I've got a nice profit on 2 positions. So that's all I have for today's trade of the day. Please stay tuned for some additional messages, and check out the tools and resources in the comments below. They help support the channel. I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.